Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got another drone for you. We've got the D20 by DEERC. If you want to get your hands on one of these drones, I'll put a link down below in the description where you can find one. So the D20 is a pretty small drone. I'd probably say it's more suited for indoors, but I have flown it outdoors and you'll see later in the video some of the footage. So let's get it out of the box and have a look at what you get. So the first thing you'll notice is you get a really nice hard carry case with it. So let's just open that up and have a look at what we get inside. So firstly, we'll have a look at the storage pocket at the back. So you get a battery, a packet with some spare props, charging cables and prop guards, which will come in handy if you're a first time flyer. You get 2 charging cables because you get 2 batteries with it, so you can charge both at once. Just fish out the other one. There's the other battery there. And you also get your instruction manual, which is handy if you're a beginner. And under the packaging you've got your remote on the left, which has got a built-in phone holder. So I'll just flip up now. There you go. And finally, let's have a look at the drone. You can see it's quite a small little drone, but if you can fly outside in low winds, but it's more suited for indoors. Nice fold out arms. But there you go. Camera on the front. And the battery goes in the back there. It's also got lights front and rear, so you can tell which way it is when you're flying. There's the camera. So let's take it out for a quick test flight. So there you go, a really good cheap beginner drone. You get about 10 minutes of flight time per battery, which is really good. And as always, I'll put a link down below in the description of where you can get yourself one. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.